FragWatch here. Today we got the unboxing of some WLMouse. We're going to do 3 of them. I don't know which one's which because they're not labeled. I ordered them all at the same time. We're going to have 2 Beasts, the new Beast version, and the Strider. So let's get to it, yeah? FragWatch unboxing. These are cool. I like these boxes they have. Got first up, nice, looks like the Strider. Is it sealed? How's this open? Got a cool box here. It's got like purple. That stuff shines purple. Oh, it's because I got it in purple. Well, that's kind of cool. This embossing is in purple. I wonder if that's because of the color. And this is in purple. Oh, we got a little pull sleeve here. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, look at that. There's like a design in the back. Kind of a cool touch. I want to see that real life. Oh, it pulls out. It's a little card. Need some help? Yeah, buddy, I need help. All right, let's see. Oh, we got some. Let's go peel off. Here we go. That's an interesting. Oh boy! Oh, Christmas for FragWatch indeed. All right. Oh shit! Look at that. You got the dot. You got the skates. Watch this. That shit peels. Oh no, it didn't peel that one off. Oh, but it peeled that one. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's so neat. Let's get this piece of shit over here. Oh man, I hope this comes with extra skates, because that is not a lot of skate right there. That's gonna scrape. These edges are gonna fucking... Who placed these skates? What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, that's gonna need some more better skates. Okay. Strider in purple. Very pretty. Very, very nice. Okay, we got 2 dongles here. We got this one. And we've got this bad boy. Okay, we'll shove that back in there because I'm not going to be using that one. We have underneath here a cord probably. Whew. Kind of a nice cord. It's not bad. Come on. Let's get all the way out of the box, folks. Oh man, oh shit, look at that bend, man. Whoa. Yikes. Yikers. Okay. Quality control guy, the boxing guy at the factory was just like, fuck this. Get it in the box. We got a deadline to meet. Or something like that. I don't know. That's a guess. That's not fact. That's a speculation. What he was like, I don't know what the working conditions are for the factory they use or whether they package it themselves. I don't know. We got some grippy boys. That's nice. Sorry, I'm off camera here like a lunatic. More, what the fuck? How many grips do we need? Those are cut to size. Those are just default grips. We got some full-size skates and some corner skates. Like that. Good shit. Let's see the bottom of that mouse again. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got that. Okay, that's cool. Let's leave these out because I'm gonna get those fucking dot skates off there. Let's leave the grips out. Those grips. Anyways, all right. Ooh, man, I'm excited for this one, man. That unboxing was so long. I think I'm gonna cut this into several videos. So I'm gonna do the other unboxings of the Beasts in another video. Yeah. Move these off to the side. Push that. Sorry, Sauron. Fucking don't do that to me, FragWatch. You got it, man. Whatever. I'll get this back in here. That is the unboxing. That is FragWatch's unboxing of the WLMouse Strider in their purple colorway. I'll have the Beast unboxings right now. I'll go do these right after. Post them pretty much the same day. Thanks, guys.